Leah has a yellow notebook. She carries it everywhere. The pages are full of English words. Words from the TV, from the supermarket, from the street. Next to each word, she writes the Spanish. She underlines the difficult ones 2 times. At night, she reads the notebook before she sleeps. She moves her lips, but she does not make a sound. Her husband is already sleeping. She does not want to wake him. Leah wants one thing. She wants to go to the pharmacy alone, without her daughter, without calling someone to help. She wants to say the name of her medicine and pay and say thank you and leave. But she's afraid. She's afraid that the person will speak too fast. She's afraid she will not understand. She's afraid they will look at her face in a way that says, "You don't belong here." On Tuesday, her daughter cannot come. Her daughter has to work. The medicine is finished. Leah looks at the empty box on the table. She looks at her notebook. She looks at the door. She puts on her coat. She puts the notebook in her bag. She walks to the pharmacy on Vermont Avenue. It is only 4 blocks, but to Leah it feels longer. The man at the counter is young. He smiles. Leah opens her notebook. She practiced this at home. She says, "I need medicine for blood." She stops. She opens the notebook. She finds the word pressure. She says, "Blood pressure." She puts the empty box on the counter. She does not look at his eyes. She waits. There is a small silence. Then she says, "Please." The man looks at the box. He looks at the computer. He says something. He speaks fast. Leah hears insurance and doctor and one word she does not know. She asks, "Sorry, can you repeat?" He says it again, slower this time, but the word is still not in her notebook. She feels her face go warm. She does not move. She does not leave. Leah opens her phone. She types the word the man said. She shows him the screen, the translation in Spanish. The man reads it. He nods. "Yes," he says, "exactly." She understands now. She needs a new prescription. She says, "Okay, I call my doctor." She writes the word in her notebook. She pays for something small, vitamins, and she leaves. Outside, the air is cool. Leah walks slowly. She's not happy. She did not get the medicine, but she's not sad either. She adds the new word to her notebook and underlines it once. That night, she does not read the notebook before she sleeps. She puts it on the table beside the bed, where she can see it. She will go back on Thursday. Hi, friends. I am Nadir. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and the story motivates you to keep learning English. See you next video. Bye.